Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the metal butt plug by the EasyToys anal collection. So let's get started. So this is the metal butt plug itself. Now with this butt plug, it's a stunning polished aluminium anal plug which features a beautiful heart crystal at the base just there for a very luxurious appearance, and it's formed with a tapered tip, a smooth bulbous body and slender neck, so insertion and removal and even wearing the anal plug is simple and easy. The aluminium is temperature responsive, meaning you can heat this or cool it in water or the fridge for extra sensations. Now when using this anal plug, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean the toy after every use using either toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the metal butt plug by the EasyToys anal collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.